Hello and welcome back. In today's episode, as promised, I will be teaching you all how to find wholesale properties and build relationships with wholesalers. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing a personal story on how one of our wholesalers actually found my fiance, because believe it or not, just as much as you're looking for them, they are looking for you. Let's dive right in. One of the ways to find wholesale properties, and it's probably one of the simpler ways, is to join a buyer's list. Now, you can either get recommended to join one, or you can just personally subscribe to one yourself. It's very simple. Here's an example of one right here. And all you need to join is name, phone number, and email. We receive emails every day with lists of properties all over the country. Now, another way, and this way may require a little bit of effort. You know those signs that be posted up around the neighborhood? You want to sell your home? We buy houses, da-da-da-da. You know what I'm talking about. Pay attention to those phone numbers and write those numbers down, because most of the time those are wholesalers, and if they're looking to buy a home, they sometimes have a list of properties already ready to sell. You could also call them and give them your information and let them know, like, hey, if you happen to come across a property, hit me up, I'll buy. Wholesalers, they want that relationship, okay? It's a give and take. You both need each other. Listen, you're gonna have to do your homework. Check up on those people. Like, you're gonna have to go get the money. The money's not gonna come find you, okay? You're gonna have to put in some work. If you're not a people person, you're gonna have to learn to become one, okay? Because you're gonna have to talk to people, okay? Put yourself out there, build those relationships, and don't be afraid. Jump. Now let me share you a little story about how one of the wholesalers that we work with actually found my fiance. Now, this particular wholesaler had a property in one of the buildings that my fiance actually previously sold a property. So what he did was he went down the recent sellers list, okay? And you know, most of them were regular names, you know, this and that. And then he came across an LLC. Now he said, okay, so this is most likely an investor. So what he did was he looked up the LLC, he found my fiance's name, did a reverse Google search in the yellow pages, and called him up. You see what I mean? You have to go out there and get your money, okay? It's not an easy business to get into. You're going to have to work with anything. Everyone knows that, okay? So, like I said, y'all come jump on this train with us. We are going to do this. I'm taking y'all on the journey. Drop a comment if you learned something from this video, and let's keep the discussion going, okay, guys? I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Y'all ready to see the new changes? Y'all, it's going. The property is coming along. It's moving. Hey, see you next time. Bye.